Hey writers, today we're working on editing, another step in the writing process that tends to get kind of skipped over. Notice I'm giving you 2 whole days to work on just revising and editing, so please take advantage of that. Take your time and turn out your best possible work. So editing means you're going to look for any problems with spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. Punctuation being your periods, your question marks, your commas. Now you have a little bit of an advantage here because you're doing your writing in Google Docs, so any big mistakes, it's probably going to catch most of them. A misspelled word or a word it doesn't recognize will have a red line under it. Any problems with things like punctuation will probably have a blue line under it. You can't 100% trust it to do the job correctly all the time because sometimes it doesn't understand what you're trying to write, or it might put a red line under a name that it doesn't recognize. So use those red and blue lines as a starting point. Another thing that I see a lot is kids will use the autocorrect feature and they will click on whatever word Google Docs suggests. And sometimes that's a word that is kind of close to the word they were trying to use, but it's a totally different word. And then that looks kind of silly. So if you're not sure if it's the correct word, what I would recommend is look up the word that they're suggesting and see if it really is the one that you want to use. Alright, those are my tips for today. Tomorrow we're going to work on publishing, so get excited. We're almost done with this first piece.